Okay, traders. Yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold. So this is Gold Spot, and it is analysis for the coming week. This will be from 11th of August to 15th of August. So it is just a 5 days market move on gold. And now this is a top-down analysis from monthly time frame. Then I'll be going down to the 4-hour time frame. And in 4-hour time frame is where I provide those possible key levels for taking trades in the coming week. So make sure that you watch this video until the end, and also do your own analysis and also watch analysis from other traders so that you'll have confidence on the probable direction and the possible areas to take trades now in the coming week. Okay, so in monthly time frame now we see this monthly candlestick is trying to push the upside, but historically it has been now 4 months back we have seen price has been rejecting at the same region. So the current push to the upside may surprise us, or it can just behave like what happened now in those previous candlesticks. So now if it is going to surprise us by closing with such a bullish momentum, so now we may expect continuation of price to the upside, but up to the moment we cannot conclude because we still have 19 days for the monthly candlestick to close. So anything can happen. Price may reject it to the downside like what happened in the past 4 months. Then straight in weekly time frame, what is happening? Yes, we see this weekly candlestick has supported the previous week candle, because we see we had this rejection here, and the next candle continued with the bullish momentum. So this is very clear that the upward trend that began right at this rejection, has been supported now this week. So how far this bullish momentum is going to hold? So in lower time frames we can exactly understand how far price is going to push, but we see as it was now in the previous week analysis, we see prices in a sort of a range. Now it has been ranging for several months back. So actually whenever price goes to the upside, we will be watching for these historical levels, and if it goes down we'll be watching for these historical support levels. So actually that's how we are going to trade. So if price will keep on pushing to the upside, we'll be watching for the level around 34.43 to see now what is going to happen exactly at that level. But up to the moment we see buying momentum is dominating at this time frame. Then in daily time frame, let us see there are a lot of things here. Okay, so daily time frame has got a lot of things. We have the wave counts, we have the drawings now, the support and the resistance. Yes, but all in all, looking on the candlesticks, now we see the Friday candle with a sort of indecision, because sellers dominated movement of price at the beginning of the day. Then nearly to closing of the business day, buyers came in pushing price to the upside. So actually what is happening here, technically now we see this level was expanding the previous week analysis. We see there's a level up there, but apart from that we have seen there's another level where price was resisted several times, and on Thursday price broke to the upside. So Friday was a retest. So with this formation, it suggests the possibility of price pushing to the upside. But we have those resistance levels here. What is going to happen now with this level? So actually we may expect, and actually after closing of the Monday candlestick we'll understand exactly where market is going to move for the rest of the week. But all in all, we may expect another bullish candles happening right here, maybe one bullish candle or anything on Monday. If that is not going to happen, so we may expect a bearish candle. So what is the concept here? If we'll see a Monday candle closing as a bullish candle, we will expect for further push. If a Monday candle is going to close as a bearish candle closing right below this level, so we may expect a further push to the downside. So that is the basic concept about what is expected to happen at this region in daily time frame. So now you'll be looking closely on those levels of support and resistance. If price is going to push to the upside, we expect maybe to see it right at this level of resistance. Yes, so that is how things goes. Okay, let me close this. I'm in a replay mode. Okay, yes. So let me go to the 4-hour time frame now to see exactly how are we going to trade now. So okay, basically the 4-hour time frame is confusing because we have seen this week price has been pushing to the upside is slowly. So it may promise that it's going down and then price reverse to the upside again. So actually this week has been hard to trade because price was not seriously moving. Okay, so what is happening here? We have a sort of WXY. Yes, that is possible. It is correcting this move right here. That is possible. But now we may be more technical at this level or at this time frame. Because looking on the wave counts, it's something confusing. Okay, so what is going on here technically? We see we had these now 3 last candlesticks. Now looking on this candle plus this one, this was a serious bearish sign. This was a serious bearish sign, so we expected price to continue pushing down from this level. But now what happened? The last candle was bullish again, so this changed our opinions about the possibility of going down. But as long as price has not broken above this previous swing high, so we may still expect a possible push to the downside. Yes, so that is very technical. And also we have those levels here, the support and the resistance, and also now these are the dynamic ones, and also we have the static resistance and support. So now combining all these regions, they provide us with those areas to decide how to trade now in the coming week. So basically, because the wave counts may seem confusing at this level, so now technically we'll be looking for these levels now. So next week now we'll be expecting for a possibility of break to this level down here below 33.80. we may expect that, and also we may expect for the possibility of breaking above 34.04. that is one, and the price may go further to the upside breaking this region, but that is rarely going to happen, by the way. So now the basic concept now, how are you going to trade next week? Okay, so next week you'll be watching for possible sell opportunities after price has broken below 33.8 level. That will be the primary projection or the primary focus, just selling straight after this break. Now alternatively, now price may slightly push to the upside, then we'll also be watching for sales from this region. Now if we see prices forming sell confirmations, so that's also another way where you can now take some sell opportunities. So we may have some buys, but this will be now those opinions will be provided much on the daily updates if we'll be having a buy opportunities. But for the purpose of this analysis, I will primarily focus on recommending taking sale opportunities from these regions. The first one down here, then we have the other one to the upside. So that's how you are going to trade. But do your own analysis, watch analysis from other traders, so that we'll have confidence on the probable direction to trade now in the coming week. So thank you and have a powerful weekend.